Hey, it's Levi, welcome back. Today we are unboxing a custom leather wallet that I ordered. So the company that made this is called Phee's Original Goods, and it's a company out of Canada on the East Coast. And I wanted to share this with you today because I think this is a really cool product with really cool packaging. Let's take a quick look. In the bag here, the wallet is put in this nice little canvas bag. I kind of dig this little stamp that they've got on the bag here. I think it looks really cool and unique. It's got a nice texture to it. Now, before we actually look at the wallet itself, let's just take a quick look at what else have we got in here. So one here is this postcard, and they've handwritten this here. It's got some pictures of their process on what they do. Now, all of their leather goods are handmade. I almost got kind of a run-of-the-mill made in China wallet, but then I came across this company and I was like, wow, they're making some really cool stuff. So I definitely wanted to order a wallet to support them. They said, thanks for the order and support. Fun color combo. Hope it treats you well for many years. Cheers, Robin. And that's actually the person that made the wallet. So we'll take a look at that in a moment. But yeah, that's really cool. Nice kind of touch. We've also got this bookmark that they've included here. We've got some nice photography for both of these things that they've included in the packaging. So I think that's really neat. They've got this kind of story here. Born, raised, and thriving in Unamaki, Cape Breton, Phee's Original Goods are makers of small batch handmade leather and canvas goods. Each piece that leaves our shop respects the legacy of the craftspeople before us while fitting squarely into the modern world and into your pocket. We make tough goods using quality materials that are built to last. So that is cool. I really dig that. Now, without further ado, let's open up that wallet. So we've got this canvas bag here. We'll open it up and we'll slowly reveal. So this right here is the Phee's Original Goods Bucklaw. On the front of it here, they've got their logo embossed here with some nice thick stitching, which I really like. And on the inside, you can see the 5 different colors of leather that I've chosen. Now, this is a custom made wallet, so I've chosen these colors myself. If you think they're ugly, great, let me know in the comments below. But the cool thing with this brand is you can order any sequence of colors that you might like. You can have it all one color, you can have it, multiple different colors, two-tone, whatever you like, essentially. So I think that's kind of cool and unique. And then we've got my initials embossed right here, which I think is quite nice. So there will be no mistaking who this wallet belongs to because it's got my initials in there. Also, a nice little feature that I like with this wallet is there's actually a slot in here. So we can fit cards in this pocket, and in the back behind, and then you can fit your cash in here, which I really like. I think this is awesome. Now, it's a pretty basic wallet. It doesn't have, as many of the features as some of the things do. I was looking at another company that has all these features loaded into a wallet, and I was like, wait a sec, I just kind of want something that's a little bit simple, something that is made with high quality and something that I hope that will last me a really, really long time. That's kind of what this is. I think it really scratches the itch of having something that's really unique. On this tag, it details kind of what they've done to make this wallet come to life. They've hand stitched it, burnished, embossed it, and hand cut it, which I think is cool. It's full grain veg tan leather, and it's made by Robin. So thank you, Robin, for making this wallet for me. I appreciate it. Definitely feels like an improvement over the kind of skate brands that I had in the past, basically, Vans and Nixon. So I'm really stoked on this wallet, how it's come out. I think it'll be really cool, and I think it'll last me a really long time. And it's so cool to have something that is unique. So what do you think of this wallet? Let me know in the comments below. Now, of course, this video is not sponsored. I bought this wallet with my own money, but if you wanted to take a look at their website and potentially buy one of your own custom wallets, their link is right here. And one of the big reasons why I chose to get this wallet in particular is because the way the pocket is cut allows me to fit a guitar pick just so perfectly in there, which I really like because I like to carry guitar picks around so I can reach for it and grab it whenever. And most of the time, I make guitar related content. So if you want to see some more of that, click this video here and I'll see you on the next one.